I'm Jill Ray. I'm the owner and principal designer of Jill Ray Designs in Ridgefield, Connecticut. And welcome to the House in the Trees. Clients are always asking us, how do you make a room feel cozier? The 3 easy ways to do that is with color, lighting, and fabrics. Accent lighting will soften your space, bring in a mood, and actually make the room seem warmer. Fabrics build the texture, bring in the warmth with layering. The color of the fabrics, just the feel of the fabrics always brings in a warmer feel. And color, if you stick with a warm color tone, you're going to soften the space. It's not going to feel as cold, and you're going to be in a more neutral environment. Floor lamps, built-in lighting, sconces. A warm fabric, not only does it matter with the color, but a neutral tone, a lot of texture. So if it's a fur, it's a boucle, a linen, something that has texture to it, movement, is a great warm fabric to bring in.